So you know that sound you hear on roller coasters? So this clicking noise is not something that's put on the roller coaster to try and make you scared as you're going up the top. It's actually something that helps make the roller coaster much safer. It's called the anti-rollback system, and this system is put into place to help your car not to roll backwards down the hill if it accidentally becomes disconnected from the chain. So next time you're on a roller coaster, don't think that this is something to scare you or it's a ride break-in. It's actually something that's put in place to help keep you safe.